Hello, welcome once again to our channel. In today's video, we'll take you through HTML on phone. So, just like the PC, how we do it on phone too, we have different software. So, on PC, you can use different editors or tools like Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, Notepad. But for phone, it's different. But at the end, you are going to achieve the same result. So in this video, the app that we'll be using for the HTML work is TrepEdit. So when you open the TrepEdit app on your phone, this is how the interface be like. We have the text editor, workspace, get source code, learn to code. So for the workspace, that's where all your save work will be kept. And if you want to create a new document, you just click on text edit. So you click on text editor, and here I will select new file. So I'll select new file, then enter the name of my document. So how you want to name it, that one we will choose location. So just like the PC, you have to create a folder that you save all your HTML document. So that's how it is. So yeah, this one, if you didn't save your work, there is no way you'll be able to display it with your web browser. So when you are naming it, just like the PC own, you add .html to it. So you add .html to it so that the app will automatically detect that you are working on HTML. You can use this one to run JavaScript, CSS, and many more. So this one we are working on HTML, so we need to add .html to it. So I'm done saving the work. So this is how I'm going to do it. So this one, you don't need to type greater than doc type less than. That one, but I told you that the HTML, we have different versions. We have the HTML5, HTML4, but on phone, that one, you are not working on Visual Studio Code, so you don't need to enter that code. So you just go straight by typing greater than HTML less than, then the open tag will follow, the closing tag will follow. So we have all the keys over here. So if you want any of the symbols, here are they, you just enter them over there. So we have the image or closing tag and many more. So that's how it is. So here I'm done typing the title. So the title is where you actually rename your document. So if you want to change the name of your document, that's where you actually change it. So yeah, I would like to change the name from school to school prefect. So that's how I want to change it. So here you could see the title has been changed to school prefect. So right now the name of my document is school prefect. So that's how it is. I've changed it from school to school prefect. So if you want to change the name of your document, that's where it's the title that you use to change that. So I'm done. So for the heading too, you can also enter any document. So you can type any word that you like. So yeah, I would like to okay, enter the body. So under the body, I would like to enter my words. So but I told you that in the body you can have the head and also a paragraph. So depending on how you want to structure your work, you can go by that. So here I would like to entitle my work, that is the heading. So for the heading, the font size will be bigger, then the body, it will have smaller font size. So here, that's it. You will see the name just displayed over there. That's the body. So this double here, I would like to duplicate it and paste it 5 times for you to see how it will be. So when you do that, yeah, since I want to duplicate it 5 times, I'll have to create many headings. So just like the paragraph, so you can have many headings as you want. So the first one is the heading 1, second one is head 2. So if you want to create another heading, that one will be head 3, head 4, and many more. So as I was saying, you can create many headings as you want. And one thing you have to bear in mind is the font size for the first heading will be bigger than the rest of the others, so they'll all be in order. So the font size for the first one will be bigger, followed by the second one, then the third one. So by the time it will reach the last one, it will have smaller font size. So that's how it is. So it depends on how you want your headings to be. So as I was saying, you can create many headings as you want. So I would like to use one text, then use it to create many headings. So this is what I want you to do for me. So as I was saying, the keys are here. So the letters and the symbols, they are all at the bottom here. So you just have to enter them. So here you could see that the first heading has a bigger font size, followed by the second one, then the third one in that order. So right now what I'm going to do is to add paragraph. So I'm done with the heading. So as I was saying, the body can consist of heading and paragraph. So the paragraph too, you can create as many as you want. So you can have paragraph 1, paragraph 2. So if you want to create second paragraph, you just indicate P2. If you want to create paragraph 3, you just indicate P3. So that's how it should be. So for the paragraph, I will enter the background. So I will just copy the background, then paste it over there. So that one will be for paragraph 2. But for the paragraph, it's not like the heading that the font size will be changed. That one won't be like that. But for the heading, the font size will change as you create many more. The paragraph is where you actually enter your sentences. But for the heading, it's not a sentence. So the font size will be differ from the other ones. It will be bigger than them. But for the paragraph, they will all have the same font size. But if you want the font size of the heading to be the same, all the headings to be the same, that one, unless you set the font size or you indicate the font size that you want to use for all, else the system will automatically create font size for each, and for that matter the font size won't be the same. But for the paragraph, they will all have the same font size. So that's how it is. So yeah, if you want to create space between the headings, the first heading and the second heading, you just enter the BR. But I told you that the BR element doesn't contain content element and also end tag. Their role is to give space in between text. So if you want to create space in between text, you enter the BR greater than, BR less than. That's all. So after that, you save your work. So make sure you save your work in the folder that you are saving all your HTML file. So if you want to continue from where we've gotten to, you just open it, then you continue from there. So make sure you save your work. Thank you for joining us. See you in our next video. Bye bye.